What up, YouTube? Back again. Gonna do a quick video on the installation of the seat cooler. Why I'm putting it in this vehicle, because as you can see, I only got heated seats in here. So I think it'll be a perfect addition for it. So I'm gonna try it in this to see how I like it. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be pretty cool. So just stay tuned for the install and we'll get everything hooked up so you see what it looks like. As you see, the full install took less than a minute to do, with the exception to plugging it in, but that only gonna take a second. So let's get in and get everything plugged in and see how it feels. I'm not gonna bore y'all with this. I'm gonna cut you back on when I get everything plugged in. All right, we got everything plugged in. As you can see, we're at a balmy 69 degrees outside. If I get it to focus a little there, nope. There we go, 69 degrees. So, got everything plugged in. Got a power light on. Now, have our power button. Let's turn it on and see what it feels like. Wow. Can y'all hear that? I'm not showing y'all that, but that's the actual cooling fan blowing. And almost in an instant, I literally felt it. Pretty cool. And just imagine if it was hotter outside, how it would actually feel on your back side, meaning your back and your bottom. I mean, for the price, I really didn't expect this, but considering it's just a fan that's blowing, it's actually pretty cool. No pun intended. But I want to give a shout out to coverado.com. And I say it a lot in my videos. I support them. They support me. Be sure to give them a look at their channel, Coverado, and check out some of the stuff they got. And I'm willing to bet you'll find something in there to upgrade your interior with. And with that being said, like, share, subscribe, comment, and let me know what you think about this product. Because I think I'm going to get another one for my work truck too. But until then, peace. Okay, here's a bonus that I forgot to tell you guys about. It's got 3 speed settings on here. You got high, medium, notice the color changes, and you got low. And once again, it is so easy to install this thing. It's just unbelievable. You got 2 straps to put on, and that's it. You got the one back here that wraps around the back of the seat. Then you got the one that wraps around the headrest right here. And that's the only thing you'll see. And trust me, for the price, it's actually worth it. Like, share, subscribe. Peace.